going to launch my physics book, especially written for NEET entrance and JEE Mains entrance examination today. So we are here at IIT-Bombay campus to launch this book. So particularly, let me tell you about some important feature of this book. This is totally depend upon numerical problem practice, right? After clearing your all the concept, basic concept, right? You can use this particular book for your last revision purpose, right? So if you are a fresher student in class 11th and 12th, so after all, we always try to let's say we have to go for fighting JEE Mains entrance examination and for NEET entrance examination, and most importantly for NEET entrance examination, physics is little bit more difficult for the student due to basic knowledge, lack of knowledge of mathematics. So in this book, let me tell you some important features. So totally complete 11th class and 12th class physics, chapter wise is given in this book for numerical problem solving practice. Some tips and tricks based questions also given in this book, right? The category number 1, and the second category is complete NCERT given with example problem as well as exercise problem, right? And graphical questions selected which are very important for your entrance examination also given in this book. And according to the new pattern, the experimental skill-based questions also given in this particular book. And in the last, according to the new pattern of JEE Main and NEET entrance examination, the level of the exam is totally depend upon the basic concept and formula based. So also the most repeated formulas also given in this book, and for problem practice, lot of questions given in this particular single book. So for your last revision, you can use this, and Amazon पे available है. So basically, it's a great opportunity for us कि हम इसको IIT Bombay campus से in front of you guys हम इसको represent कर रहे हैं. So if you are preparing, you are targeting, obviously you are here. So you are targeting for NEET, not for IIT Advanced, right? This is only for JEE Mains entrance examination and NEET entrance examination. So let me show you this book. So Amazon पे ये already available है, and lot of students इसको कोटा में, महाराष्ट्र में and South India में already इसका use कर चुके हैं. And the important thing is that for the last revision purpose, right? So we need some different type of problem. We need a particular book. Using that particular book, you can go for your exam with a lot of confidence as a facet, right? If you are a dropper student as well, you can use for last revision. After preparing, you need some questions which are very important for our entrance examination, so that we can save our time and we can increase our speed to crack that particular exam. But for IIT JEE, there is no particular book. You have to make your sense and your lot of practice, and as well as your critical thinking is important for that exam. But for NEET and JEE Main, obviously along with your basic concept, obviously you need some tips and tricks, and importantly all the type of numerical problems, the questions as it is very important for NEET and JEE Main entrance examinations. So obviously this book can help the student and can save their time to crack that particular exam. As a teacher, मेरे को 10 to 12 year का experience है for these 2 competitive exams like NEET and JEE Mains. Right? Thank you very much. And I would like to call my team members here for this book.
इंडिया का हर बच्चा जो नीट और JEE Main एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन की कोचिंग कर रहा है या कोचिंग करने की प्लानिंग कर रहा है, चाहे क्लास 11th में हो, 12th में हो या फिर ड्रॉपर स्टूडेंट हो, हमेशा यही चाहता है कि काश उसको एक ऐसे सिंगल बुक मिल जाए जिसमें न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करने के फास्टेस्ट मेथड हो और एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन के ना बहुत इजी सॉल्यूशन हो, और उसी बुक में उसको मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रिपीटेड फॉर्मूला लिस्ट मिल जाए और उन फॉर्मूले डिपेंडेंट सिमिलर क्वेश्चन मिल जाए जिससे वो प्रैक्टिस कर सके। अब देरी किस बात की, क्योंकि हमारी यू कैन फिजिक्स अमेजिंग शॉर्ट ट्रिक बुक बुक ऑलरेडी अमेजोन पे आ चुकी है, जिसमें आपको चैप्टर वाइज सॉर्टेड क्वेश्चंस, एनसीईआरटी क्वेश्चन विद इजी सॉल्यूशन एंड फॉर्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस विद फॉर्मूला एंड एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्किल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस मिलने वाले हैं विद ग्राफिकल क्वेश्चंस। और बच्चों IIT बॉम्बे कैंपस में ना 3rd एंड 4th फेब को इसकी लॉन्चिंग होने जा रही है, और इस लॉन्चिंग इवेंट की वजह से हमने अमेजोन पर ऑलमोस्ट 40% ऑफ रखा है, जिससे मैक्सिमम बच्चे यूज कर सके। सो अब फिजिक्स का डर बिल्कुल मत कर।